recipes for confidence and self-empowerment. Confidence isn't just a state of mind, it's the vibrant energy that propels us forward, the invisible force that empowers us to conquer the unknown and embrace our true potential. It's the unwavering belief in ourselves, the steadfast assurance that we are capable of overcoming any challenge that comes our way. Confidence can be developed through practice, feedback, and overcoming obstacles, gradually strengthening your belief in yourself. Different ways to build confidence. Confidence is not an innate trait, but rather a skill that can be cultivated through intentional actions and mindset shifts. These are few ways and few formulas to apply in real life to be a confident person. 1. Remember all the challenges. Reflecting on the challenges you've overcome is a powerful way to boost confidence. It involves recognizing the obstacles you've faced in the past and acknowledging the strength, resilience, and determination you demonstrated in overcoming them. By recalling these experiences, you remind yourself of your ability to persevere and thrive in difficult situations. This reflection can provide a sense of accomplishment and empowerment, reinforcing your belief in your capabilities. It serves as evidence that you have the inner resources and resilience to overcome future challenges as well. 2. Surround yourself with supportive people. Surrounding yourself with supportive and encouraging individuals is essential for nurturing confidence and personal growth. Positive influences can inspire and motivate you to strive for excellence, providing encouragement during both triumphs and challenges. Conversely, negative influences can hinder your progress and diminish your self-belief. Choosing your social circle wisely is crucial. Spending time with people who believe in your potential and uplift your spirits can bolster your confidence and foster a sense of belonging and acceptance. 3. Have self-compassion. Self-compassion is a fundamental aspect of building and maintaining confidence. It involves treating yourself with kindness, understanding, and acceptance, especially in the face of failure or setbacks. Recognizing that failure is an inevitable part of the learning process can help alleviate the pressure to be perfect and allow for greater resilience and growth. Embracing self-compassion means acknowledging that mistakes and failures are opportunities for learning and growth, rather than indicators of inadequacy or worthlessness. By reframing failure as a natural part of the journey towards success, you can cultivate a more positive and resilient mindset. 4. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to cultivate confidence and enhance overall well-being. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and acknowledging the blessings, achievements, and opportunities you have, you can cultivate a greater sense of fulfillment and contentment. Gratitude encourages you to recognize and appreciate the abundance in your life, whether it's the support of loved ones, personal accomplishments, or simple pleasures. By shifting your focus from what you lack to what you have, you can foster a more positive and optimistic outlook. 5. Set goals. Setting goals, no matter how small, is a powerful strategy for building self-confidence and self-trust. When you set achievable goals and follow through on them, you demonstrate to yourself that you are capable of taking action and making progress. This process helps to reinforce your belief in your abilities and strengthens your confidence in yourself. Starting with small goals, such as drinking a cup of water or taking a short walk, allows you to experience success quickly. Achieving these small victories boosts your confidence and motivates you to set and pursue more ambitious goals. As you continue to achieve your goals, you build momentum and develop a track record of success, which further enhances your self-confidence. 6. Eat healthy food. Taking care of your physical health by eating nutritious foods is not only beneficial for your overall well-being, but can also positively impact your confidence. When you nourish your body with wholesome, balanced meals, you provide it with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally, which can enhance your energy levels, mood, and self-esteem. Eating a variety of healthy foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, supports your body's physiological processes and promotes better physical and mental health. 7. Work on your body language. Body language plays a significant role in how others perceive you and can influence your own confidence and self-image. engaging in open and expressive body language, such as using hand gestures while speaking, maintaining good posture, and avoiding habits like keeping hands in pockets, communicates confidence and assertiveness. When you use your hands while talking, it adds emphasis and clarity to your communication, making you appear more engaging and confident. Similarly, maintaining good posture, standing tall with shoulders back, conveys self-assurance and presence. Avoiding habits like slouching or looking down can project a more confident and approachable demeanor. Furthermore, being mindful of your body language can also impact how you feel about yourself. Adopting confident posture and gestures can actually boost your own self-confidence and mood, as there is a reciprocal relationship between body language and mindset. By paying attention to your body language and making small adjustments to appear more confident and assertive, you can positively influence how others perceive you and enhance your own sense of self-confidence. 8. Fake it until you make it. While it's true that displaying confident behavior can influence how others perceive you, simply faking it may not lead to genuine confidence in the long term. While adopting confident body language and demeanor can be a helpful strategy in certain situations, true confidence stems from a deeper sense of self-belief and authenticity. Instead of solely focusing on outward displays of confidence, consider cultivating inner confidence through self-awareness, self-acceptance, and personal growth. Reflect on your strengths, accomplishments, and values, and cultivate a positive mindset that acknowledges both your successes and areas for growth. 9. Have courage to face criticism. Maintaining confidence often involves developing resilience to external opinions and criticisms. While it's natural to seek validation from others, placing too much importance on external feedback can undermine your self-confidence and sense of worth. Remember that you have the power to control how you internalize and respond to others' opinions. Instead of allowing negative feedback to define you or dictate your self-worth, focus on cultivating a strong sense of self-esteem and self-validation. Practice self-awareness and self-compassion, and remind yourself of your inherent worth and value, independent of others' opinions. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you, and limit exposure to toxic or negative influences. 10. Don't criticize people. Indeed, confident individuals don't feel the need to criticize others to assert themselves or gain attention. In fact, engaging in negative talk about others often reflects insecurity rather than confidence. Confident people focus on uplifting and supporting others rather than tearing them down. Furthermore, maintaining a positive and uplifting attitude towards others can enhance your own sense of well-being and confidence. By focusing on the strengths and accomplishments of others, you cultivate a mindset of abundance and generosity, which can positively impact your own self-image and relationships. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos.